Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Begin by opening Gmail settings and choosing Accounts or Security. Once there, select Verify your identity or security checkup to trigger the flow. Make sure your recovery phone or email is accessible because Gmail will send a code. Use it immediately. If prompted for an ID, have a clear photo ready to upload so the automated check can read details. Move deliberately through prompts. Don't skip any requested fields because that slows verification. Once you receive a 6-digit code, type it into the Gmail prompt. Delays often expire codes, so act quickly. If asked for identity documents, upload photos that are sharp and well lit. Ensure name and DOB are legible. You may also need to answer account-specific questions, provide exact recent activity and device details to help the system match your history. If two-step verification is an option, enable it now to both complete this step and prevent repeat verifications later. Complete the process by confirming any changes and reviewing recovery settings. Updating phone and alternate email reduces future friction. If verification fails, request a manual review or submit the detailed account recovery form with accurate timestamps and device info. This increases approval chances. If technical errors occur, clear browser cache, use an incognito window, or switch networks and devices before retrying. One key tip: if uploads fail, reduce file size under 5 MB and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.